Breaking political news as the Trump team continues to send mixed messages about President Trump's involvement, and that of Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard, in a controversial FBI raid at the Fulton County, Georgia elections office tied to 2020 vote fraud claims. The search, which targeted ballots and election materials under a court-authorized warrant, has drawn fierce debate over its legal basis and political implications. What's raising eyebrows inside Washington is how differently the story has been told by various Trump-aligned figures. Trump himself has publicly said Gabbard was working very hard on election safety, but officials in the administration later downplayed her presence, suggesting she was merely near the scene and not part of the FBI investigation. That narrative shifted again when Gabbard confirmed in a letter to congressional intelligence leaders that Trump personally requested her presence at the raid, and that she facilitated a brief phone call between the president and FBI agents. She insists neither she nor Trump issued directives to agents, even as questions swirl about the unusual role of a national intelligence official in a domestic law enforcement action. Critics say this inconsistency, from denial to partial admission, has left the Trump team struggling to get its story straight, complicating efforts to justify both Trump's and Gabbard's involvement in a politically sensitive inquiry. Lawmakers from both parties are pushing for greater transparency, and calls for hearings are growing as the situation develops.